My dear friends, welcome back to another episode created especially for you. Today we're going to talk about something very close to your daily life, something that many people overlook but has a powerful impact on how fast or how slow we age. I'm talking about sleep habits. Yes, the way you sleep, the little things you do before bed, and even your sleeping position can make you look and feel older or younger. Doctors have revealed that certain wrong sleeping habits can actually make seniors age faster, not just on the outside but also inside the body. Now don't worry. This is not meant to scare you. This is meant to guide you, to give you helpful knowledge, and to help you feel stronger, healthier, and more in control of your own aging process. So sit back, relax, and listen carefully. You might even recognize some of these habits in yourself or someone you know. And remember, knowledge is power, and when you share that knowledge, you help others too. So if you find this podcast helpful, don't forget to like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another important tip for healthy aging. Let's begin with the most common habit, not getting enough sleep. Many seniors tell me, I only need 4 or 5 hours of sleep. I'm used to it. But here's the truth. Your body at any age still needs 7 to 8 hours of good quality sleep. Sleep is not wasted time. Sleep is when your body repairs itself. Your cells recover, your brain clears away waste, your skin rebuilds collagen, and your immune system recharges. Without enough sleep, your body is like a car that never gets an oil change. The parts wear out faster. Your memory gets weaker, your skin looks tired, and your risk for heart disease, diabetes, and even dementia goes up. So if you want to age slowly and gracefully, you must respect sleep. It's not a luxury, it's a necessity. The second habit is sleeping in the wrong position. This may surprise you. Some people love to sleep on their stomach, others curl up on one side all night long. Doctors say that these positions can press your face into the pillow, creating wrinkles and fine lines. Over time, this constant pressure breaks down the natural elasticity of your skin. And not only that, certain positions can strain your neck, your back, or even your breathing. For example, sleeping on your stomach can make it harder for your lungs and heart to work efficiently during the night. So what should you do? The healthiest sleeping position is usually on your back, with a comfortable pillow that supports your neck but doesn't push your head too high. If you prefer sleeping on your side, that's okay, but try to switch sides regularly so one half of your face isn't always pressed down. It's a small change, but it can protect both your skin and your spine. The third habit that speeds up aging is eating too much, too close to bedtime. I know how tempting it can be. Maybe you feel a little hungry, maybe you want a late night snack, or maybe you've had dinner very late. But eating a heavy meal before sleep forces your stomach to work overtime when it should be resting. This can cause indigestion, acid reflux, or bloating. And when you don't sleep deeply, your body doesn't get the chance to repair itself properly. Think of it like trying to clean your house while the washing machine is running, the television is loud, and the phone keeps ringing. The work is not done well. In the same way, your body cannot do its nighttime healing if it is too busy digesting food. The solution? Try to finish your dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. If you need a little something, go for something light like a small piece of fruit, some warm milk, or a handful of nuts. Your stomach will thank you, and so will your skin and your sleep. Now let's talk about the fourth bad habit, exercising too hard right before sleep. Don't misunderstand me, exercise is wonderful. Keeps your heart strong, your muscles active, and your bones healthy. But the timing of exercise matters. When you do intense workouts late at night, your body temperature rises, your heart beats faster, and your adrenaline increases. That makes it much harder for you to fall asleep peacefully. It's like drinking a cup of coffee and then trying to take a nap. It just doesn't work. Instead, try to schedule your heavy exercise earlier in the day. If you want to move before bedtime, keep it gentle. Stretching, yoga, or a slow walk. That way your body relaxes instead of getting fired up. The fifth dangerous habit is something emotional. Going to bed with anger or stress in your heart. We all know life can be stressful. Maybe you had a disagreement with someone in your family. Maybe you feel lonely, or you're worried about money, or you're upset about the past. When you go to bed angry, your heart rate goes up, your blood pressure rises, and your stress hormones flood your body. That not only makes it hard to sleep, but it also damages your health over time. Studies show that chronic stress can shorten your life, increase the risk of stroke, and speed up aging at the cellular level. That means your very DNA gets older faster. So what can you do? Before bed, try to let go of the day's anger. Pray, meditate, write in a journal, or simply take a few deep breaths. Forgive, even if just for the night. Give your heart a chance to rest. Remember, your peace of mind is more valuable than winning an argument. Another modern habit that damages sleep and speeds up aging is using electronic devices at night. Many seniors enjoy watching television before bed, scrolling on a tablet, or checking messages on a phone. But the blue light from these screens tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. That shuts down your melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's time to sleep. Without enough melatonin, you lie awake, tossing and turning, or your sleep becomes shallow and restless. Over months and years, this constant disruption makes you age faster. Your memory weakens, your eyes get tired, and your risk of depression rises. So my advice? Try to put away screens at least 1 hour before bedtime. Instead, read a book, listen to soft music, or enjoy this podcast as you gently prepare for sleep. Now, my dear listeners, let me share a few positive habits that can help you sleep better and age more gracefully. First, keep a regular schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same times every day. Your body has a natural clock, and when you respect it, you fall asleep easier and wake up with more energy. Second, create a calm sleeping environment. Make your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. If you can, use curtains to block street lights, or use a small fan for fresh air and gentle background sound. Third, pay attention to your pillow and mattress. A supportive pillow keeps your neck straight, and a good mattress protects your back. Remember, you spend 1/3 of your life in bed, so make it a place of comfort. Let me pause here and ask you, if this information is helping you, please don't forget to like this podcast. Your support means a lot. It helps us continue creating more content that can keep you healthy, strong, and informed. And if you know another senior who struggles with sleep, share this episode with them. You might change their life for the better. And of course, subscribe so you won't miss our next episode. Now, let's imagine a healthy nighttime routine for you. You finish dinner at a comfortable hour. Afterward, you take a slow walk outside, feeling the fresh evening air. You come home, drink a warm cup of tea without caffeine, maybe chamomile or ginger. You dim the lights in your home so your body knows bedtime is coming. You put your phone away, turn off the television, and choose a calming activity. Maybe prayer, maybe listening to soft music, or reading a book with gentle stories. Then you prepare your bed. Smooth out the sheets, adjust your pillow, and make sure the room is a little cool. You lie down on your back, place your hands on your stomach, and take a few deep breaths. Slowly, gently, your mind relaxes. You feel your body getting heavier, sinking into rest. And then, my friends, you drift into a peaceful sleep that refreshes you. That is the recipe for slower aging, better health, and brighter mornings. Remember, aging is not something to fear. It is a natural part of life. But how you age is something you can influence. Every choice you make, what you eat, how you move, how you sleep, writes the story of your health. Bad sleep habits write the story of faster aging, but good sleep habits write the story of strength, energy, and joy. So let's review together. Avoid sleeping too little, choose healthy positions, don't eat heavy meals late, avoid intense exercise right before bed, let go of anger before sleep, and limit screens at night. Instead, build habits that support deep, restful sleep. And when you sleep well, you heal well. Your body thanks you, your mind thanks you, and your loved ones thank you, because you will have more energy to share your love and wisdom with them. My dear listeners, I hope today's episode has opened your eyes to the power of sleep in aging. Please remember, you deserve rest. You have lived a long, meaningful life, and your body deserves care and respect. Sleep is one of the greatest gifts you can give yourself. So tonight, when you go to bed, think of this message. Adjust your pillow, take a deep breath, and allow yourself to rest deeply. If you found this helpful, please like this video, share it with a friend or family member, and subscribe to our channel. Together, we can build a community of seniors who live healthier, longer, and happier lives. Thank you so much for listening. Take care of yourself, sleep well, and I'll see you in the next episode.